How we treat our church versus how we treat our work. Number 1, we don't mind being late for church, but we try our best not being late for work. Number 2, we miss church because we say we are tired from work, but we never miss church from work. Number 3, we spend 2 hours a week in church and complain the church service is too long, but God for 8 hours a day for 5 or 7 days a week, excluding overtime, but never complain of that. Number 4, when we are confronted for our mistakes in church, we quickly transfer to another church, but when we are confronted for our mistakes at work, we apologize, promise to do better. Number 5, when we are called to be in church other than on a Sunday, we make excuses that we are busy, but when we are called to work on a Sunday, we miss church and give excuse that we have to work. Number 6, we check our phones during church service, but we turn our phones off at work and never complain. Number 7, we shy away from responsibilities in our church, but we work hard and volunteer in our places of work to be promoted. So let's be honest, is God first in our lives as we claim it?